visualization techniques involve mentally rehearsing successful exam scenarios and clinical encounters. By creating a clear mental image of success, you reduce anxiety, sharpen your focus, and prepare yourself to handle complex situations with confidence. This practice empowers you to approach challenges with a positive mindset, which not only enhances your performance, but also builds resilience during exam preparation and clinical practice. When you vividly imagine performing at your best, you are essentially creating a mental blueprint of how you want events to unfold. This mental rehearsal helps lower stress levels and enables you to respond effectively in real-life clinical encounters. By incorporating visualization into your daily routine, taking a few minutes before an exam or clinical encounter to close your eyes and picture yourself executing every step flawlessly, you reinforce a positive, confident mindset. Imagine yourself engaging with a patient, performing each examination maneuver with precision, and handling difficult scenarios with ease. In addition to this, integrate visualization practices with mindfulness or meditation sessions. This combination can further enhance your ability to manage stress and improve your overall cognitive function. To further inspire you, consider these powerful quotes. "Imagination is more important than knowledge," reminds you that while knowledge is essential, the ability to imagine success can unlock creative solutions and foster innovative thinking. "Everything you can imagine is real," encourages you to trust your creative vision and turn that vision into reality. And the power of imagination makes us infinite, inspires you to recognize that your potential is limitless. These quotes underscore the idea that harnessing the power of your imagination is a crucial step in overcoming obstacles and achieving your goals. By consistently practicing visualization, you create a habit of positive self-talk and mental rehearsal that reinforces your confidence. Over time, these visualization techniques help to build new neural pathways through neuroplasticity, enhancing your ability to manage stress and perform under pressure. This integrated approach not only boosts your exam performance, but also lays a strong foundation for long-term success in your clinical career. Embrace these practices alongside positive affirmations and other self-care strategies to cultivate a resilient and proactive mindset. Remember, the more vividly you can imagine success, the more prepared you will be to achieve it. With this consistent practice, you not only improve your immediate exam performance, but also develop the mental fortitude needed for a fulfilling and successful clinical career.